Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some flipfit, they're cutie Sling swivel mounts. So thank you for your purchase. And this is what they look like here. So we got a couple of them here. I'll show you guys what they look like. If I can open the bag. So this is one of them. And so this is what it looks like here. So you'll mount it up and screw it in, I guess. And when it's connected up, then here we go. So you'll screw this in, you can screw this into something. See, it's got the little hole there. So you screw it in, and then this connects up into it, like push the button and do it in there, and then you've got a little swivel. So you can put it on a handle for a drawer, for anything you really need a swivel hook handle for. So pretty cool little device. It makes it super easy to do. You just pull it up and screw something in there. So it's really nice. Comes with a set of two. I'm probably going to use it for some of my 3D printing stuff. If I print something, you know, little boxes and stuff, to have a little handle on it. So how cool is that? And then if you ever wanted to take it off, you could as well. So kind of cool. I like it. Thumbs up.